This week, we're diving deep into the BMW M5 F90 market. 5 beasts just got sold, some for shockingly low prices, and 5 more are hitting the auction block in the coming days. Whether you're a flipper, a fan, or just curious, don't miss this. 2019 BMW M5 Competition is a light front-end hit snatched up for $29,000, a clean deal for a competition model. 2019 BMW M5 Competition. Heavy front-end damage sold for only $15,000, a serious project for a brave buyer. 2019 BMW M5 Competition. Minor impact to the front right wheel in bid, $27,000. Not bad for such light damage. 2020 BMW M5 Competition hit in the front, sold for $22,000. Newer year, but still a fixer-upper. 2018 BMW M5 non-competition took a big hit up front. Went for $14,000, risky, but could be worth restoring. Here's what's coming up. Mark your calendars. 2018 BMW M5 light damage to both front and rear. Auction, Monday. Might be an easy rebuild if you play it smart. 2018 BMW M5 front end and driver's side door damage. Auction, Monday. A clean base for a custom build. 2019 BMW M5 heavy hits to the front and rear. Auction, Tuesday. High risk, but maybe high reward. 2019 BMW M5 Competition. Front and rear end impact. Auction, Thursday. Competition trim. Worth a close look despite the damage. 2021 BMW M5 facelift. Major crash from the front all the way to the rear door. Auction, Tuesday. Newer model. Bigger risk. But the right buyer might turn this into gold. That's it for this week's M5 F90 auction spotlight. Which one would you buy? The light fixer or the heavy hit deal? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Next week we'll break down even more insane deals.